Hi TV community, I am super excited to be telling you guys about our new wellness protein. Our wellness protein is a trusted source of clean, plant-based protein with 17 grams of protein that you can take on the go. I made it a rich chocolate flavor because that's my favorite. It has white tea extract that is bursting with antioxidants, and it has natural chocolate bean inside of this formula. I absolutely love it. I take 1 scoop every day in my smoothie or in my protein shake, and it gives me all of the energy and the protein that I'm looking for in a formula I can actually trust. All good ingredients, nothing bad, just for you. Okay, there's a couple of promises that I wanna give you guys about this protein. It's 100% plant-based protein. We use organic ingredients in this formula. It is vegan, non-GMO, and there's no soy or dairy inside of this product. So you're not going to get weird stomach aches because of the dairy, which is one of the reasons that I wanted to make a plant-based protein for myself. There's also no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, and no fillers. So it's a real clean product that you can actually trust and use every single day. This protein was created by blending 2 different kinds of organic protein powders. We have organic pea protein and organic rice protein. We blended these together with the natural chocolate bean in order to make a delicious, non-chalky protein powder that is 100% plant-based. Other plant-based protein powders left me disappointed because they wouldn't blend well, so I wanted something that would blend easily and not leave you feeling with a chalky taste in your mouth. I absolutely love this protein. I hope that you do too. If you have any questions about this product, please just ask me below. I've been using vegan protein powders for over 10 years, and they absolutely work for my body type. And if you're switching from a different type of protein to plant-based and you have questions, I'm here for you. I really want to make sure that you get the information that you need to make that switch in your lifestyle. Comment below, and I can't wait to talk to you about this product. Bye.